Namaskar dear English learners, how are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and doing well in your life. Today afternoon I was exploring English content on YouTube and I stumbled upon one short video where I have heard I have Sheela in breakfast. Can we say that? No, it's wrong. It should be I usually have Sheela for breakfast. I usually have upma for breakfast. So in breakfast is wrong. So be mindful when you make this sentence and when immediately I could find out the mistake, I was so content because from past 1 week from BBC Learning, I am just revising all the basics. I have started from very easy English on BBC Learning, and there one short video is there. They have revised many times. What do we have? Usually, what do we have for breakfast, right? And along with that video, they also provide PDF where several activities are there, like fill in the blanks. One picture will be there, and you have to describe in your own words what they have explained in that video. Those things you can those concepts you are supposed to use for those activity. So I did that activity where it was written I usually have poha for breakfast. So it has fed in my mind that before breakfast we will use for, not in. So sometimes simple English makes us fluent because we can use those simple sentences in our day-to-day life. So we can practice in our daily activity while doing household chores, getting our kid ready, cleaning, dusting, or even any professional, whatever they are doing their work, they can repeat these sentences. So if you ask me, I would suggest you, in my opinion, just revise all your basics at the beginning. When you have just started right now, at the beginning, try to make basic and simple sentences you already know. That is more than enough to start your English. Don't rush for advanced and long sentences. First, brush up your basic and start with simple and basic sentences. Why I am telling this? Because it will help you to speak without any mistake, and when you will not make any mistake, it will boost your confidence, it will motivate you. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day and enjoy your speaking practice. Thank you for watching.